guys, I got a box from Trollbeads and I want to unbox it in front of you guys because I've been so excited to get this. They have these crazy sales where you buy something, you get something free, and I get fished in every time. And this time, they sent me something extra. And I've got to show you what it is because I am so thrilled. Thank you so much, Trollbeads, because you blew me away. You never stop surprising me. So, we're going to pull this out, and I'm going to take out the amazing things that I was supposed to get. And, of course, my free cleaning cloths. And they sent me this. Oh my gosh, what is this? Do you want to see what's in these bags? Or I think we want to see what this is. I do. It's beautiful. Okay. We have to unbuckle this. I think this is leather. It's got the Trollbeads emblem here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but wow. Oh, it's got bars too. I love it. You guys, this was so sweet. I am thrilled. Thank you. Y'all know how much I need these bars. They're like everything. I am thrilled, thankful, and that was so awesome. Thank you. I wasn't expecting anything like that. I am just so thrilled. Thank you so very much. Okay, how do I close this? Very awesome. All right, let's get down to what I ordered. There was a sale, like everybody knows, that you buy something and you get a free bracelet. And I thought, what I always need is more clasp. So I figured I'd get the big flower clasp, and that would get me the free bracelet. And I love it. So let's pull out the bracelet. I must have something on my desk because I just marked my pretty bag. So, I guess we're going to be building another bracelet, which I'm all for that. And this is, the small side goes on the little hook, and this will be perfect. I can hardly wait to fill this up. So thank you so very, very much, Trollbeads. I am thrilled to start yet another fun bracelet. And I just so happen to have some new ones to flip on there from my bangle. Excuse me, I got this one's a bit mixed right now because I put my dolphin charm right in the middle. And last week I haven't shown this yet because I want to make a special video. I bought the keychain for Ukraine, and they were sweet enough to throw in 2 beautiful beads with that. This one and this one, because it was, I had ordered something and it went out of stock, and they don't think they're going to get it back. So I think they thought they had to make it up to me, and it was very sweet to send me these 2 beads. And I just put the balance of what I was gonna get on to buying the Ukraine bracelet, because I was gonna get around to doing that anyways, and then I didn't see it, so I thought, oh, they're already out of them. But no, I just looked wrong. But I think they're still available, and they're absolutely gorgeous. If you haven't seen them yet, you will love them. So please try and grab one of those. It's definitely a collector's piece, and I forgot it's downstairs on my keys, which is probably with Dan right now because I looked everywhere for them. So I'll show you those another time when we're out hunting. But it is beautiful for a keychain, or you could take the beads off and use them as just normal troll beads. They're uniques too, so they're pretty awesome. Anyways, this is the haul for this week for troll beads. And if you're looking over the weekend, they have, I believe, a 6-day Easter sale. So here we go again. We're having special offers every day through the Easter weekend. So run on over there. And today I think there is the star charms with the different stones on. So have a look at those. They're on for half price. And go on over and get the whole set if you like. They're a great deal. Thanks for dropping by. We're going to do some hunting this weekend, and I hope I'll be able to show that with you. I'm trying to figure out how to do a live hunting, and as soon as I figure that out, you're going to come along for the ride. Anyways, please subscribe and leave me a comment so you're in on the draw. We're going to have an awesome draw coming up as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm not sure when, but that's all up to you. The faster we get there, the sooner the draw will be, and it's going to be a fabulous draw. Talk to you soon. Take care. Have an awesome Easter weekend. Love you all. And I send you my love. Take care. Bye, guys.